In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a door lock actuator on your Scion XB. This is going to be located in the front door. Let's get started. Using a Phillips head bit, we're going to remove the screw in the door pocket. Remove the screw, grab the trim and pull straight up and pop it out. On the back side, we have our connector. There's going to be a tab on either side. Press on these tabs, pull straight back, and remove the window switch. Lift the handle up. Using a small pick, we're going to pull out on this plastic trim. Pop the cover out. We have one Phillips head screw. Go ahead and remove it. Grab the tweeter bezel and pull straight out. Pull it off of the door. We have a connector on the bottom of this. There's a tab right on my thumb. Push on that tab. Pull straight out and remove the trim piece. We're going to pop the door panel off of the door. We're going to put our fingers all the way at the bottom. You can use a trim tool and get in between the two and pop the clips, or just give it a nice swift pull straight out and pop the door panel. Lift straight up and remove the door panel. Remove the connector. Pop the cable out of the door handle, pull straight up, remove the cable. Do the same thing on the bottom. Pull the bottom cable out through the bottom and remove the door panel assembly. Remove the connector. There's a push button right on my forefinger. Push on that, pull straight back. We're going to pull down our vapor barrier. Be gentle when you do this. We don't want to rip the plastic. We just want to separate the plastic from the door panel. You can use a razor blade to help you. Do your best not to cut the plastic as well. Remove all of the harnesses out from the vapor barrier and continue pulling it all the way down around. Using a 10mm, we're going to remove the two screws and remove the bracket. Remove the connector for the speaker. There's a push button on my forefinger. Push on that, pull straight up. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt. This is going to allow us to swing the window sweep in. Before we do that, I'm going to reach up. I'm going to push the yellow lock open and pull the door rod forward and out of it. It may come out of the bottom, that's okay. Using a small pick, we're going to pull the grommet out of the side of the door. Using a T27 bit, loosen the screw. I'm going to pull our door handle out. I'm going to use a plastic trim tool, pop out our lock cylinder. Using a T27, remove the 3 screws. Reach in and pull the window track up. Remove the door lock actuator. We're going to swap our cables from the old to the new. Pop the cable straight up and out, hinge it down, and remove it out of the bracket. Repeat the same process, put it in the bracket, hinge it up, install the cable. Using a pick, we're going to lift up this plastic door. Pull the cable up and out, install the cable, lock it into place, and then close that door. I'm going to lift up that window track and install the door lock actuator. And get the 3 bolts started on the outside. Snug down the 3 bolts. Pull the window track back into place. Install the bolt. Snug it down. We're going to install the straight piece right into the yellow clip. Make sure that yellow clip on top is open. Install the rod, close the yellow clip. Install the door lock. Snug down the bolt for the lock. Install the cover. We're going to pull the vapor barrier back up into place. Put all of your harnesses through that need to be through. Stick the vapor barrier back down around the whole door. Install the connector for the speaker. Push until you hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install the bracket, snug the 2 bolts down. Install the connector for the door lock actuator. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. We're going to install the bottom cable first. This one's going to be white. It's going to push up into the bracket and then lock down. The second one will be the green. Lock that in, click it in on the top. Install this harness into the door panel. Set the door panel down on top of the window sweep and go around and push all of the clips in. Pull the window switch connector up and out of the door. Install the connector, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Drop the switch down into place, push in on the front and back. Install the Phillips head screw behind the door handle. Snug it down. Install the plastic trim plate. Push it into place. Install the Phillips head screw into the door pocket. Install the connector to the tweeter. Install the trim piece. There's a clip in the front right and then in the top. Make sure they both seat and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.